Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to manage your mobile data while watching video episodes on the Webtoon app. This guide will help you save data and make sure that videos only play when connected to Wi-Fi. First, open the Webtoon app on your device. Next, go to the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings to enter the customization menu. After entering Settings, locate the Video Episode Resolution option and tap on it. Next, under Cellular Data Usage, choose Wi-Fi only. This ensures that video episodes will not use your mobile data and will only play when your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. By selecting Wi-Fi only, you save mobile data and enjoy uninterrupted viewing of your favorite webtoons. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends for more useful tips.